Today we will see how to connect AIWriter to WordPress, because in the previous video I said that the articles generated cannot be exported to WordPress. Actually, there is such an option. So what you have to do on AIWriter is to go here up to publish to WordPress section. So now we have to install an application passwords plugin first. Okay, so let's check what is this plugin. Okay, merge. Doesn't have to be installed separately. Okay, there is an integration guide. Um, So in WordPress 5.6 it is integrated, so that's a little complicated. Anyway, let's log in on our WordPress. Here we go, and let's check what we can do. So we have to this for WordPress versions inferior to 5.6. Honestly, I have no idea which WordPress I have uh, and where to check it. Let's go to settings. In settings, I'm sure they will tell us which WordPress we have. And click on users. Users, select the users account. Okay, so let's go to users. We don't need probably to install this plugin. Well, my WordPress is so slow. That is why I usually dislike WordPress, because it is extremely slow. Doesn't really matter which server you have. And for example, I want for my user. So select the user, call to name, username. Okay. So let's select this user. Now we are waiting again for WordPress to load something. Every time it's very, very slow. I have actually quite a good server. I have no problem with my PHP scripts. Problem is WordPress itself. It's a gas factory, especially if you install plugins. You can quickly get lost. And that's the case on this WordPress installation. So because I think I have WordPress version superior to 5.6, I don't have to install this application plugin password plugin first. So what I do is go directly to users, select the users, and we will scroll to name, username. Let's see how it looks. Oh, username. I know my username. Okay, scroll to application password. This is my username, application password, application password. Ah, here, application password. Okay, so I know my username. My username is admin. My WordPress URL is this. And I need a new application password. So add new application password. Okay, what should I do? Fill in with anything, it doesn't matter. So A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add new application password. Oh, and my new password is this. Okay, you should save it because you will not be able to retrieve it. In my case, it is just for this test, so it doesn't really matter. And now add the application password, create, and let's check if it is working, if I can connect my WordPress to AIWriter. And oh, okay, apparently it's done. Okay, so now the question is how to directly publish articles to WordPress. So let's write a new article. I don't really know what topic to write about. Let's say uh, connecting, it's called WordPress connect with application password. Okay, and I want a 10,000 words article because as we saw in the previous video, it's the same amount of credits. I tried 1,000, 2,000, I think 3,000, maybe 5,000 words article. It was always the same amount of credits, so better to get more for credits. Actually, let's put 3,000, just it will take a little longer. let's create this article. Wow, 1 minute 20, and then I have no idea where to connect it. Ah, publish to WordPress, and we have. No, we were there already. Publish articles to this WordPress. Yes. Okay. So this, because we can have several WordPress accounts, apparently, you select one account on which no, okay. And here we can select which articles to upload. Okay, so right now we are waiting for our article to be written. 45 seconds left. It's pretty long. And I will lose 1 credit. So articles here, as we saw in the previous video, it's text only on AIWriter. So it only generates text, but it gives you the full context. So you have um, all sources, which exact paragraph was used to generate the content, and you have also the source link, so you can check where it is coming from for everything. So that's the most interesting functionality of AIWriter, and probably the only AI writing tool that offers this functionality to get sources included with generated article. So let's see if it is better like that, because if we don't use it to publish to WordPress, all we get is this long text generated. And actually, okay, we have the sources, but they are not integrated in the text. So when you take this text and you want to publish it, if you want to include some sources, you have to do it yourself. And you can download the text, you can download the simple document. Let's have a look. So a simple document is the same, and you have sources annotated at end of paragraphs, and they are all, this is a pretty long article, and they are all linked at the end. If we scroll down to the end here, we have a very long list of sources. Or last option is to use the share article, and you also have a link that you can share with anyone. Okay. Now let's check our article that should have been written. I'm still working on it. So the timer, although is maybe not fully functional, because we pretty much expect that when the timer reach 0, we have our article fully ready, which is not the case, obviously, because timer reached 0 and our article is not publishable yet. So let's just again have a look at the export options. And if we go to simple document, actually we have a document, but it's the same actually. It's just text document, and if you want to publish it, you have to do everything yourself, and it includes links to sources. I'm just curious if this is exportable, like if I can copy paste to WordPress. Let's just try to create a new post. Let's just copy introduction and check what happens when we just paste it. Okay, actually, so if you copy and paste, you have the sources included at the end of the paragraph. So that's one solution. Okay, I don't want this article, leave page. And now is our article generated. Ta-da! It is. Let's just have a quick look at the article that was generated. Again, it's only text with sources. So what is a WordPress application password, understanding how it's important, how to enable application password, generating your first application password, blah, 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 managing and revoking application passwords, connecting with WordPress, create new password is as simple as add new, that's true, and WordPress will display the application password, okay? Okay, so we have a very long article for this very simple problem, and now we will publish it to WordPress. Let's scroll back, go to publish to WordPress. Now we select our connected WordPress account. Here we go. Maybe. It's probably trying to connect to my WordPress because I want to publish one article to this WordPress. Here we go. And here we have the last article generated. WordPress connect with application password. We can select all unpublished. Okay. Anyway, I want to upload this one. And there, I want to publish immediately. I want to be in the category digitalization and publish one article. Let's have a look. How long it will take. So it already took more than 2 minutes. I would say 3-4 minutes to generate the article. And now it tells me that WordPress Connect with application password article has been published. Okay. And why I don't have a link to check it. So now let's go to my dashboard to all posts and see if the post is there. Yes, post is there. It has been published. And if we want to view it in a private window as user, here we go. We have our article that has been published. No source has been included, so it's text only. I guess this will be improved in the future. But here we go. We have our article published automatically to WordPress from AIWriter. So that is a possibility from this tool. Although now, once the article is published, you need to add, copy paste the sources you want to include. You need to probably add some illustrations. So this is what I will do. I will embed in a video. I will add of course, thumbnail, eventually add some screenshots inside the article. So there's still quite a lot of work, and even not talking about reviewing the text, correcting it if necessary, and adapting it to your needs. So if you want to check AIWriter, I will put in description the link to the generated article in this video. So have a look for yourself. Again, you have a free trial, 7 days, 12 credits, which is equal to 12 articles. If you use them well, depending on which functions you use, but if you use them to only generate articles, then you can generate 12 articles using AIWriter. Good luck, and let us know in comments how it went for you and which results you achieved using AIWriter or another tool.